Want to know how we pulled in $2,000 on our very first try without recording a single video, using our voice, or spending a penny on ads? Stick around because I'm showing you the exact AI powered system that makes this possible, even if you've never made money online before. My first impression? Faceless ATM Machine is a plug and play system that does all the heavy lifting for you. From finding profitable affiliate products to generating faceless YouTube videos, it's literally built for beginners who want results fast. No tech skills, no budget, zero stress. So, what is Faceless ATM Machine? It's a fully AI powered YouTube system that creates videos, ranks them for buyer intent keywords, and drives traffic, all without showing your face or even speaking. Who's it for? Complete beginners, people with no experience, anyone who wants to start making online income without the usual tech headaches or ad costs. In short, you follow simple steps, let AI do the work, and watch results roll in while you focus on other things. Here's a quick look at the system. First, you select a profitable affiliate product. The software even shows you which ones are converting. Next, the AI generates a fully faceless video for YouTube. No recording, no scripts, no editing. Just a few clicks and your video is ready. Then, you upload it with pre-written video descriptions and links provided in the system. The AI even gives you ranking tips to help your video get noticed. Once live, the system works 24/7, bringing traffic and clicks automatically. Literally, it's like having your own invisible money-making machine.
$10,000 per month from complete beginners at no cost to you. I know it's a massive promise, but if you can stay with me for the next minutes, I'm going to prove it to you. First of all, my name is Robin, and I know a lot of people in this space have been promised easy YouTube money systems without any real results. So I'm going to cut the nonsense right now and start by telling you what a real faceless YouTube commission actually is. Let's say someone, let's call him David, is searching YouTube for best affiliate marketing software on a Thursday. Then he finds your AI generated faceless video that perfectly reviews that exact software and clicks on your affiliate link in the description. Now that is a faceless commission. It's called that because David is about 1,000 times more likely to buy from you and make you a fat commission than if he had stumbled across some random guru's face-to-camera pitch. And I'm going to show you how to get hundreds of Davids every single month clicking on your links in any profitable niche, even if you don't have anything to sell right now. And I'm going to show you what faceless YouTube commissions can do to your bank account. Here's what happened on my very first attempt with this system. $2,000 in pure affiliate commissions, not over months of grinding, but my first shot out of the gate. But just to show you that it's repeatable, this same method has now generated multiple six figures for me personally. And that is what faceless YouTube commissions really look like. And if you're willing to follow what I tell you today, that can be your reality very shortly. And again, those commissions won't cost you one red cent. Now, let me make something crystal clear here. To generate thousands of dollars monthly using YouTube, all for free, we are not talking about showing your face, using your voice, or building a massive subscriber base. Because anyone who tells you that's the only way to succeed on YouTube is flat out lying to you. So, how are you going to get all those commissions then? That's where the genius of AI comes in. I took YouTube's search algorithm, a platform exclusively made for connecting people with solutions, and turned it into a fully automated, faceless, voiceless commission machine. And no, I'm not talking about Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. This platform was never meant to be used by people who want to stay completely anonymous, yet I found a way to use free AI tools to create videos that rank in search results automatically, turning into thousands upon thousands of dollars in monthly profits. Now, here comes the best part. YouTube processes over 2 billion searches every single month across all niches, and virtually nobody is using AI-powered faceless videos the way I'm about to show you. This means that even if I taught this method to 5,000 people, each one of those 5,000 people would still easily get targeted traffic and commissions every single month. Our system is completely untapped and competition-proof with billions of monthly searches just begging to be turned into automated commissions without you ever appearing on camera or speaking a single word. It all happens behind the scenes automatically. So this brings me to the most important part here today, your part. You see, I believe in full transparency. The Faceless ATM Machine will get you targeted traffic and affiliate commissions monthly. If you follow my step-by-step directions, my directions are very easy to follow. If you can click a mouse and copy paste, you can do it, which means you'll be getting affiliate commissions monthly. So on that note, let me ask you, are you willing to follow my easy step-by-step directions, which will generate targeted YouTube traffic and affiliate commissions for you? Well, if you answered yes, I can guarantee your results with complete confidence. You will end up with targeted traffic and commissions flowing in regularly, which, as you've seen here today, turns into serious money very quickly. Also, if you did answer yes, I would like to warmly invite you to click the buy button below this video, make your way into the members area, and get ready for targeted traffic and commissions to come your way every single month consistently. And if you're still wondering, is it really as simple as it sounds to generate consistent affiliate commissions using the Faceless ATM machine? The answer is 100% unequivocally yes. Can you follow simple directions? Do you understand basic instructions? Then you will get results. You do have to follow my easy step-by-step directions to get those commissions. But as long as you're willing to do that, making money with faceless YouTube videos will never again be an issue for you. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in... Okay, so what if I told you that what you're seeing here on the screen, that's not me. It's not me on the screen, it's not my voice, and I haven't edited that video. Well, kind of. It's my face, it's my voice. However, it's not actually me talking on the screen. It's not actually me recording that video. Now, there's different levels to this, but you can do this however you want. You can do it like this, or you can do it completely faceless. You can put any voice to this, you can put any face to this, and you can even do it 100% faceless if you want to. Now, talking about faceless, I'm going to be showing you exactly how we're doing this method 100% faceless, because I know that a lot of you don't want to actually show your face on camera, record your voice, all of that stuff. And that's something that's going to be solved within this product. So if you want to know how you could actually do this and generate thousands of dollars in commissions, then check out the details below. There's a button there. Grab this right now, and I see you on the inside.
There are 3 optional upgrades if you want to go all in. DFY upgrade, $37. Custom AI assistant to answer every question step by step. Automation upgrade, $47. Push button email system that builds your list and sends unlimited emails. Instant profits upgrade. Access all top products and bonuses instantly to plug into your own business. Each one adds massive value and speeds up your results, but the core system works on its own too. And here's where it gets really exciting. When you grab Faceless ATM Machine today, you get over 10 exclusive bonuses, including WP Slideshow Master. Create stunning slideshows to engage visitors. WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your site and reduce bounce rates. Lead Book Generator. Auto-add Facebook leads to your list. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to boost clicks and conversions. Conversion Equalizer. Improve campaigns automatically. Action Poll. Segment your list for higher opt-ins. Power List Pro. Build lists and pop-ups on autopilot. Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest traffic. Vid Builder. Create high-converting video sales pages. Instant Content Creator. Generate killer articles in minutes. These bonuses alone are worth hundreds, if not thousands, but you get them free with your purchase today. Don't wait. They're limited and can disappear at any time. So here's the final verdict. Faceless ATM Machine is perfect for beginners who want a real, proven system to start making money online quickly. Remember, the bonuses expire soon, and the system is priced at just $12.99. That's less than lunch for a system that could have your first faceless video live by this weekend. Click the link below to secure your access now before it's too late. The sooner you act, the sooner you could see results. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more faceless marketing strategies. Once you click the link below and complete your order, you'll get instant access to the system and all the bonuses. Start your faceless YouTube journey today.